There are luxury cars, and then there is the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. A machine so refined, so meticulously crafted, that it doesn't just transport you, it elevates you. From a distance, it commands attention. The signature Maybach grille stands bold and upright, a symbol of authority and heritage. Chrome accents shimmer with precision. The elongated body stretches with grace, giving it a presence that feels closer to a private yacht than a sedan. This is not designed to blend in. It's built to dominate. But the true masterpiece reveals itself when you open the rear door. Step inside, and the chaos of the world fades away. The cabin is wrapped in the finest, hand-stitched Napa leather. Real wood trims flow across the dashboard like modern art. Aluminum details reflect soft, ambient lighting that glows in 64 customizable colors. And then you sit. The executive rear seats recline almost flat, complete with powered leg rests and calf support. Multiple massage programs simulate spa-level relaxation. Heated armrests, ventilated cushions, a refrigerated compartment with crystal champagne flutes. It feels less like a car and more like a moving presidential suite. But don't mistake comfort for weakness. Beneath the hood lies extraordinary engineering. The Maybach S-580 features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with a Q-Boost mild hybrid technology, producing 496 horsepower with seamless torque delivery. And for those who demand the absolute pinnacle, the Maybach S-680. A handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine generating 621 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. That's supercar performance hidden inside a palace on wheels. Despite its size, rear-wheel steering makes it remarkably agile. The adaptive air suspension scans the road ahead and smooths every imperfection before you even feel it. At highway speeds, cabin noise remains whisper quiet, creating an atmosphere of total serenity. Technology blends effortlessly into luxury. The MBU X system responds naturally to voice commands. A 30-speaker Burmester 4D audio system transforms music into a live concert experience. Air ionization keeps the environment pure, while advanced driver assistance systems operate discreetly in the background. And then there's exclusivity. Through MANUFAKTUR personalization, each Maybach can be tailored with bespoke paint finishes, rare materials, and handcrafted details, ensuring no two vehicles are ever identical. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is not about transportation. It's about presence. It's about legacy. It's about arriving in a way that cannot be ignored. So the question is simple. Would you choose the refined V8 or the legendary V12? Because in a Maybach, you don't just drive, you arrive.